One time someone told me that I have the whitest teeth that they'd ever seen in real life, like not on social media, and I was so flattered by that. I've never gotten my teeth professionally whitened. Everything that I do is like stuff that you can buy just at a regular store and do at home. So I just want to talk through some of the products I use. First things first is my toothpaste. I use Crest 3D White toothpaste. This one doesn't say like the flavor. I don't know if they have different flavors, but it's the advanced whitening one. I'm sure if they have other flavors, they all kind of work the same. Sometimes I'll use Sensodyne toothpaste if my teeth are feeling a little bit sensitive. I kind of like to switch between those because, I don't know, I feel like the Sensodyne kind of like repairs my teeth, and then the whitening one kind of like whitens it more, so I like to swap. But really, I feel like the toothpaste doesn't really matter that much, although I do really like this one. I think that most of the whitening power comes from my mouthwash. I use Crest 3D White Glamorous White mouthwash. So they have different flavors of this, I know that for sure, and there are some that I don't really like the flavor of. I specifically like the Glamorous White flavor. I think it's the best, and maybe it's a placebo effect, but I feel like this one does the most whitening. I use it twice a day, so in the morning and in the evening after brushing my teeth. And finally, I use Crest white strips to whiten my teeth on occasion. I'll probably do this once a year. They are a little bit expensive, so I don't do it like all the time. I know it's also not good to do all the time. For me, I've never really experienced anything bad with them. Like, my teeth whiten very evenly. They do get a little bit more sensitive after the white strips, but it's not like unbearable for me. And usually when I use the white strips, I'll use Sensodyne as well during like that week or like that day. And I usually use the 30-minute white strips that you have to do every day for like a week or two. Those are the ones that I prefer, but then on occasion I'll also do the 1-hour express ones. But I feel like it's just better to kind of pick a week and whiten my teeth throughout the entire week, and then I'm kind of like set for the next year or so. I would ideally like to do it more frequently, like maybe twice a year. I know it's not good to do it too frequently because then your teeth will get really sensitive. But yeah, that is what I do. And that's literally it. It's just those 3 products. I realize now that they're all Crest products. This is not sponsored. I mean, like, that would be kind of crazy. Yeah, I just thought I'd do a quick little video to share that in case you were wondering. I like having nice white teeth. Be sure to click that subscribe button to stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!